In today's fast-paced world, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle and forget to take care of ourselves. That's why mindfulness has become such an important tool for maintaining our mental and emotional well-being. By being more mindful, we can reduce stress, improve our focus, and increase our overall sense of happiness. But what exactly is mindfulness, and how can we start incorporating it into our daily lives? One of the biggest struggles beginners face when trying to practice mindfulness is simply finding the time to do it. We're all busy, and it's easy to push mindfulness to the back burner in favor of more important tasks. But the truth is, mindfulness doesn't have to be time-consuming. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference. Another common challenge is dealing with distractions. Our minds are constantly being pulled in different directions, making it hard to focus on the present moment. And let's be real, it can be hard to quiet that little voice in our heads that's always telling us we're not doing it right. In addition to these external distractions, many of us also struggle with internal doubts and fears. We might feel like we're not good enough or that we're not doing mindfulness correctly. We might worry that we're not seeing immediate results or that we're not doing it often enough. But the key thing to remember is that mindfulness is a journey, not a destination. It's okay if your mind wanders. It's all part of the process. Despite these challenges, the benefits of mindfulness far outweigh the difficulties. By committing to a regular mindfulness practice, we can start to see real changes in our lives. We can become more patient, more compassionate, and more aware of ourselves and our surroundings. So, how can we get started? One of the simplest and most effective mindfulness exercises for beginners is the body scan. Lie down or sit comfortably, and bring your attention to different parts of your body, starting at your toes and working your way up to the top of your head. As you focus on each area, notice any sensations, feelings, or thoughts that arise without judgment. Another exercise is mindful breathing. Simply focus on your breath, feeling the air move in and out of your nostrils, and observe any thoughts or distractions that come up. And finally, try walking meditation. Pay attention to your footsteps, the sensation of your feet touching the ground, and the movement of your body as you walk. The beauty of these exercises is that they can be done anywhere, at any time. You can do them while waiting in line, sitting in traffic, or even while taking a shower. The point is to start small and be consistent. Even just a few minutes a day can make a huge difference in how you feel. What's amazing about mindfulness is that even just a few minutes of practice can significantly enhance our mental clarity and emotional well-being. By taking the time to focus on the present moment, we can start to see things more clearly and respond to situations more thoughtfully. We can become more patient, more compassionate, and more understanding of ourselves and others. And the best part is, anyone can do it. Thanks for joining me on this mindfulness journey. If you're new to mindfulness, I encourage you to give it a try and see how it can change your perspective. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.